Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use WooCommerce shortcodes in WordPress. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to know which website editor that you are using. In my case, I'm using the website the WordPress blog editor, and it is used by Esra. You might also have Elementor, etc. It basically depends on how which website editor that you are using. It will be different on how you can add WooCommerce source code. So basically, if you are using the classic WordPress Tiny MCE editor, you can just paste the shortcode directly into the editor. So in your products page or in your products, you will be able to start adding the shortcodes from there. Otherwise, if you are using the WordPress blog editor, you might also have the shortcode placed. In my case, I only have the ones as the beginning, and I will simply go, for example, to my products, and then I can simply go to any product or to any page, and simply you will have something similar to this, and then you can start adding the shortcode. But if you are using Elementor, you will have some dedicated place for the shortcode. So in your content, you will find the edit shortcode widget, and then you can click on it so you can start adding shortcode. About what shortcode you can use, you can simply go to your WooCommerce website. For example, just type WooCommerce shortcodes, and then you can simply start seeing which shortcodes that you would like. For example, this one would allow you to display the cart page, and you want just to add the code for between brackets for each element. So each element would have some code, and it will have some properties, etc., etc. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.